want to move this beam and connect it from this point here to this point. So I need to rotate the beam. So first of all, I will copy the beam or just move it to make sure I check here. So just move it. I just move it to that point. Now I want to rotate this beam. So I select the beam, roll it, then I will click rotate. Then my base point is it's this point. Okay, so I will click and see reference. So I will specify my reference as this line. Know my nearest distance point, and then I will not click angle. I want to click point, so I'll click P in my keyboard and then enter. Now my first point is this point. My second point is that point. So you can see I have been able to rotate that beam. So I also want to move this one down. These are my roof lattice. So I just check this one. Only pass the escape, and then move and select nearest. So I need to uncheck the geometric center because it's selecting the midpoint and intersection. I just need nearest, so that I will move it that point. Okay, now the way my roof lattice are laying in my roof beam is not the way they are going to be placed in construction site. So I need to again rotate this according to this parallel. I need to make this lattice parallel to this line here. So I click rotate. My base point is here. Then click reference. Then my reference is this line, the line which is going to be parallel to the roof beam. And then I'll click. I not click angle. I'll click pick for pick point. Then this point here, that point there. Now you can see the difference. So that's how we do it. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe.